welcome back to our online program from American Bridge International School with teacher Samdy again. Alright everyone, how are you this morning? Okay, are you good, right? Okay, great job everyone. So I hope you are good and yes, stay safe together, right? Great job everyone. Okay, so do you have breakfast already? Already, right? Great job. So now sit properly and study online together with teacher. Okay? Excellent, everyone. Everyone, do you see all of the material behind me? Okay, great job. So, do you have all of this material? Excellent. So first, you need to have our Tangled Phonics textbook. After that, yes, pencil, eraser, notebook, and also ruler as well, right? Excellent, everyone. Okay, so can you tell me what day is today? Correct. Today is Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday. What about the month? The month is July, and the date is 8. The year is 2021. So, alright, every Thursday we always study about our Tangled Phonics. Excellent, everyone. Alright, so before teacher start our new lesson, let's review what we have learned first. Everyone, do you remember what did we learn with our Tangled Phonics last session? Excellent. We already learned about the sounds, what? Sound y, correct. Sound y with letter Y. Okay, sound y with letter Y. Excellent, everyone. Okay, do you still remember how many words with our sound y? Okay, great job. 3 words. We already learned 3 words with our sound y, right? Okay, what are they, everyone? Okay, the first one is yacht. Okay, yacht. Excellent, everyone. The second one, what? Yo-yo. Excellent, yo-yo. What about the last one? Yak. Correct, yak. Excellent, everyone. Okay, you remember that. So now, everyone, look at our whiteboard together. Okay, so behind me, there are 3 pictures for you. So first, let's tell me what is the first picture as you can see here, everyone. What is this? Again, please. Yes, correct. This is yacht. Yacht. Okay, yacht. So this is yacht. It's on the water, right? Okay, good. Yacht. Excellent. Everyone who can spell yacht? Wow, excellent. Yacht. Y-A-C-H-T. Yacht. Excellent, everyone. Okay, great job. What about the second picture here? What is this, everyone? Correct. This is yo-yo. Okay, so this is yo-yo. Who can spell yo-yo? Wow, great job. You spell correctly. Yo-yo. Y-O-Y-O. Yo-yo. Wow, good job, everyone. What about the last picture here? What is this? Correct. This is yak. Yak. Excellent, everyone. Let's spell yak. Excellent. Okay, you spell correctly, everyone. So great job, everyone. You can spell all of this word well. Excellent, everyone. Alright, so now we finish our review. So let's start our new lesson together. Okay, great job, everyone. So who knows what sound that we are going to study for today's lesson? What sound? Correct. Sound after y sound is what? Z. Okay, with Z sound with letter Z, Y, and then Z, right? Excellent, everyone. Okay, great job. Now, please look at our whiteboard again and okay, tell me what do you see in the picture, everyone? Okay, great job. You can see 3 pictures. So the first one is what? Yes, correct. This is zebra. Okay, this is called zebra. Excellent, everyone. Zebra. Correct. What about the second picture? What is this? What is this? Do you know? Yes, a place that, yes, have many animals, like wild animals as well, like lion, horse, monkey, elephant, snake, something like that. So all of animals, yes, stay in that place. What do we call? Yes, correct. We call zoo. So this is zoo, right? Okay, like Kamal Mountain Zoo, right? Excellent, everyone. Okay, so this is zoo. So when we go to visit zoo, we can see a lot of animals there, right? Excellent. Okay, zoo. What about the last picture? What is this? What is this? Okay, this is called zipper. Zipper. Do you have zipper? Okay, great job. Like your pants have zipper, right? Excellent, everyone. So this is zipper. Excellent. Again, the first one is what? Zebra. Okay, zebra. The second one, zoo. Zoo. The last one, yes, zipper. Zipper. Alright, so now teacher want you to listen to our audio track together. Okay, let's listen to our audio track and then you need to repeat after them together. Okay, excellent, everyone. Now enjoy listening.
Track 111. Listen, point, and repeat.
Z, z, z.
Z, z, z.
Z, z, zebra.
Z, z, zebra.
Z, z, zoo.
Z, z, zoo.
Z, z, zipper.
Z, z, zipper.
Excellent, everyone. Now you finished listening to our audio track, right? Excellent. Okay, can you, yes, pronounce this word? What is this word, everyone? Yes, correct. This is zebra. Okay, zebra. Zebra. Excellent. What about the second word? Is zoo. Correct. Zoo. Zoo. Excellent. What about the last one? What do we call? Yeah, zipper. 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 Excellent, everyone. Now read all of the lesson or the whiteboard with teacher together. Okay? Excellent. Okay? Thursday, July 8, 2021. Jungle Phonics 1. Jungle Phonics 1. Unit 8. Unit 8. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Sound what? Yes, sound Z with letter Z. Okay. Z, Z, Z. Follow me, everyone. Z, Z, Z. Excellent. Okay. The first one is zebra. 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 Excellent. The second one, zoo. 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 The last one, zipper. Zipper. Excellent. Okay, so this is zebra. Everyone, your turn. Good. Zebra. The second one, yes, correct. Zoo. Zoo. Excellent. The last one, zipper. Zipper. Correct. The second one, what? Yes, zoo. Correct. The first one, yes, zebra. The last one, zipper. The first one, yes, zebra. Yes, the middle one here, yes, zoo. Wow, excellent, everyone. You can recognize all of these words well. Excellent, everyone. Alright, so now our first session is finished. See you guys in the second session. Alright, goodbye, everyone.